Innovation is new ideas made useful. Innovation is practical creativity, but where does that come from? Well, the first place it comes from is some kind of insight. You have to have an insight into a problem, or you have to have an insight into a solution. You have to notice something. So that form of creativity, actually everybody listening to this will have some kind of valuable insight, perhaps even a unique insight, because only you are you. I don't mean to be cheesy, but factually, only you are you, and you have your experiences. And if you pay attention to them, you will see something that needs solving. You'll see something that seems incomplete, or you'll see an attractive idea, a possibility, something that works elsewhere, and you will take that into your world and solve a problem with it.